Hi everyone, welcome to today's English learning lesson. In just 5 minutes, you will learn how to speak more naturally in English using simple phrases, real examples, and easy practice exercises. Let's begin. Many learners speak English correctly but not naturally. For example, learners often say, "I am very busy today." This is correct, but native speakers usually say, "I've got a lot going on today." Or learners say, "I didn't understand." Natives say, "I didn't catch that." Here are 3 more natural alternatives. Instead of "I am tired," say "I'm worn out." Instead of "I will think about it," say "Let me get back to you." Instead of "It's very easy," say "It's a piece of cake." These small changes make you sound more confident and fluent. Let's learn some daily use natural English phrases you can use at work, school, or with friends. Repeat after me, greeting someone casually. "Hey, what's up? Long time no see." "Good to see you." Showing interest. "No way, really? That sounds great." "Oh wow, that's interesting." Expressing opinion. "I kind of agree." "I'm not sure about that." "I totally get your point." Ending a conversation politely. "All right, I'll catch you later. Let's talk soon. Take care." These phrases help you sound friendly and natural. Now listen to a short natural conversation. A. "Hey Maya, what's up? You look tired today." B. "Yeah, I'm worn out. I've got a lot going on at work." A. "Oh no, anything I can help with?" B. "Thanks, I'll get back to you. I just need a little break." A. "Sure, take it easy." B. "Catch you later." Simple, natural, easy to practice. Now it's your turn. Repeat each line after me. Try to match the tone, speed, and rhythm. Ready? Repeat. "I've got a lot going on today." "I didn't catch that." "It's a piece of cake." "No way, really." "I totally get your point." "Catch you later." Shadow speaking is one of the fastest ways to sound fluent. Here's a powerful tip. If you make a mistake or feel unsure about a sentence, type it into ChatGPT or any AI tool and ask, "Please correct my sentence and explain the mistake in simple English." Example, you write, "I am going to home now." AI replies, "Correct, I am going home now." We don't use to before home. Use this trick daily. It improves your grammar quickly. Let's review what you learned today. How to replace textbook English with natural phrases. Daily conversational expressions. A natural dialogue example. Shadow speaking practice. AI-powered real-time correction. If you practice these every day, your English will improve fast. Thank you for watching. If you want more AI-powered English lessons, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment what topic you want next. See you in the next lesson. Take care.